Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and today we're looking at the Weber Griddle. This is something that was really cool when I saw it. It replaces the grate on the grill and just drops down in there. So you do want to make sure you get the right one for your grill because the size has to be perfect. So this one is model number 7599, and it's designed to fit all of the 300, 400, and 600 series Genesis 2 and Genesis 2 LX models. So it's the bigger grills. Weber also makes it for the smaller Spirit grill, but just make sure you're getting the right size so that it drops down into your grill and fits perfectly. As far as the features, its cast iron griddle provides exceptional heat retention and distribution, ensuring evenly cooked food. Its easy to clean semi-gloss enameled surface and sloped cooking surface helps drain drippings into the grease reservoir and away from your food. So as far as preparation, as soon as you get it, they recommend that you take some dish soap and lightly clean it with that. So just get it out of the box, clean it up with some warm soapy water. Now, when you're using it, I would strongly recommend using a lot of cooking oil, either some Pam spray or something. It definitely needs to be greased for it to work right, but after I greased it down really well, it was working very nice. I was really enjoying some nice mornings out here making some breakfast, and this is really nice because it keeps the grill clean. Everything that you're cooking doesn't fall down into the grill, and I made French toast and it just came out really good. So anyway, I think it's a really good attachment to have for these grills. And I really like how it just replaces one of those grits. It just pops right down in there. And of course, you got to make the baby pancake for the kids, right? That's the tradition. So anyway, I've been using this basically just for breakfast cooking, and it's been doing really well. I'll even close the lid to help it heat up a little bit more. And I like using the right side burner where you have two burners on it. That seemed to help a lot better. As for cleanup, it cleaned up really well, just a little bit of dish soap and the backside of a sponge, and it cleaned up super well. So just make sure you keep it greased. But anyway, I just wanted to show you this really cool griddle. When I saw it, I thought it was really neat that it just replaces the grates, sits right down in there perfectly, dips down, it just fits perfectly. And so the overall dimensions for this one are 13.2 inches deep, 18.9 inches wide, and 2.1 inches in height. So thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for all my other videos and check the playlist for more videos that I've already made. That's in the video description. Thanks, guys.